Okay, when you're going to use your hat press, you're going to slide out the lower part. So take your pad off, take this part off, slide it out, set it aside. Make sure it can't fall over because you don't want to break a toe or something. Then the bottom part of your hat press looks like this. Okay? And there's a long part and a short part. I always put the long part towards the back so that I can keep it a little bit more balanced because of the way that I do my hat pressing. So you're going to put that on the center. There's 3 rails on the bottom. You have your 2 outer rails, and then you have the center rail. This is your center rail for your hat press. So you're going to slide that in like so. Okay? Then, of course, this is not high enough, so we'll put this up a little bit more. Then you take this top part of your hat press. You're going to line up the 2 screws in there, like so. Line them up, slide it back, make sure they're both in, tighten it in there, and before you use it, you'll tighten it again so that it stays put. Then you again will attach this part to the back. Again, look for that groove. That groove is kind of at the 8 o'clock position when you put this in. So then you attach it, push it all the way in, and slide the button up so that it grabs a hold of it, and you can put it on, and it will be tight and it will stay. Okay, so then you're ready to go. You put your hat in here. Let's see if I've got a hat in here. And I usually keep mine out about like this because I pull my sides down real tight. And then you kind of slide it back so that it matches up. It actually has a stop part here. Then you'll get your press ready and actually press down on the hat. Okay. When I do my hats, let me grab one here real quick.